Guys, today we have Huawei Honor 8X screen replacement. The customer bring the device with a broken screen. This device can be opened from the behind from the back glass. You need to heat the back glass with 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds and as you need. Be careful not to put too much heat to the fingerprint sensor and to the cameras. This bag is made from glass, so be cautious when you are open it. This could be broke while you are working on it. We need to heat, then we can use the suction cup, and then we can put something in between the frame and the bag glass. Also, you need to put something thin. It's very important. I have something, it's a plastic piece. It's very thin. The more thick the plastic piece, that could be more to broke the bag glass. So let's continue and watching the video. Always when you put the plastic piece inside, you just need to go all over the edges. Don't push it too much in the middle. We just need to be in the edges. And also we have a fingerprint flex cable at the top middle of the phone, so be careful when you reach this area. I recommend you to watch this video before you can try open it. We are here to let you go through this fixing and not to damage anything while you are trying to fix your own devices. What I did cut here, it's the adhesive. That's all. Alright, the glass is opened. Now you can remove the fingerprint flex cable. This is a long shield. I thought I can remove the flex cable from the board and not from the back glass. So then I noticed it's the whole bracket shielding. Now we are going to remove all the screws from the board. Alright, we got a small frame or a tiny frame that's covered all over the phone. It's assembled by adhesive. Be careful with the fingerprint flex cable because it's go over the bracket shielding. Now we can remove both flex cable, unplug the battery, and then we can remove fingerprint flex cable. Screen flex cable goes under the battery, so we need to take it down. When you are dealing with the battery, be very cautious. Battery is very dangerous. Don't try to punt it too much and don't try to hold it. It could be explode. So be careful when you are dealing with it. You can use some alcohol to put in between the housing and the battery. Alcohol can leak in between the adhesive and then the battery can be removed easily. We have a flex cable connected from the subboard to the main board. Be careful that the plastic piece it's not under this flex cable. Otherwise, this flex cable could be cut. Unplug screen flex cable. Now we are going to remove the screen. You can heat it whatever degree you want. It's broken and not working, so we are going to trash it. Now we are going to clean all over the frame because we are going to put the new one in position. We have here a protection, ear speaker protection. It's stuck on the old screen. We are going to move it to the new screen. There was some dirt at the ear speaker. I had to clean it after we put the new one. Always I recommend you to test the screen before assemble. You can just put it like that. After you test the screen, then you can assemble it down. I had already tested the screen. So now I'm going to put it down. But before I assemble the screen, I'm going to see if the screen is fit on place perfectly or not. Seems all good. Now I'm going to remove it, put the adhesive, and then I will assemble it. This adhesive is B7000. There is a lot of similar adhesive. It starts from T to 8000. They are all good. You can use any one of them. Be careful where to put the adhesive, not near the camera, the ear speaker, and the sensors. And don't put too much adhesive all over the frame. Just a little and a line all over it. Now we can put the flex cable on position and then we can press on the screen in place. Plug the screen flex cable. After that we will put on the battery and that's it. Also, don't forget the flex cable of the sensor. After that, plug the battery and then we will put the tiny frame in position. Screw down all the driver and that's it. That was for this video. If you have any questions, you can just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.